Hello, namaste and welcome back to my channel. So if you guys are new on my channel, let me introduce myself first. So my name is Mohini. I am 25-year-old and I live in Bangalore, and I work as a lead cabin crew, or you can also call it as in-flight manager with this Indian domestic airline. Past 5 years, I am making this video so that it can help you in your process of becoming a cabin crew. So this video is all about the first step. You know, if you think you want to become a cabin crew, when you plan you want to become a cabin crew, so this video is going to help you a lot. So सबसे पहले तो if you want to become a cabin crew, the first thing you have to do is actually sit and think regarding this decision, because right now what's happening these days, so I am currently flying, so I am meeting a lot of new aspirants जो अभी cabin crew बने हैं, and this one thing, one misconception they had in their mind is they got influenced through social media. You know that so many people are there who left their existing jobs and they became a cabin crew because they were influenced, they were attracted by all the social media pages who influence these jobs, these careers. So I'm not gonna deny, even I am one among them who show their life, of a cabin crew, how beautiful it is, how happening it is, how good it is, like how different it is from other career options, from other professions. And if you ask me, I am not gonna deny ki this is completely a lie. So this जॉब इज डिफरेंट, बट जो आप सोशल मीडिया पे देखते हैं एंड जो आप जिस चीज़ से इन्फ्लुएंस होते हैं कि अरे ये कितनी अच्छी जॉब है, इसमें तो सिर्फ ट्रैवलिंग है एंड यू गेट गुड सैलरी एंड यू आर गोइंग प्लेसेस, यू आर कम्प्लीटली इंडिपेंडेंट एंड एवरीथिंग. सो ये चीज़ सच है, but it's not completely true. Like, you cannot get influenced by a social media post and decide your career. I would say this is completely wrong career choice which you take by getting influenced through social medias, because I have seen a lot of cabin crew who just became a cabin crew. They got influenced by it and they left their existing jobs, or they stopped studies in between and became a cabin crew, and now when they come on board, they start flying and they start एक्सपीरियंसिंग की एक्चुअली कैबिन क्रू की लाइफ होती कैसी है, एंड देन दे रिग्रेट कि अरे ये तो मुझे पता ही नहीं था, लाइक अरे ऐसा भी होता है, बिकॉज आई वॉज नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग दिस काइंड ऑफ लाइफ, आई वॉज एक्सपेक्टिंग समथिंग एल्स. So this is a very big difference which you get to know once you become a cabin crew. So I would request you guys to please, if you really want to become a cabin crew, पहले एक बार बैठ के सोच लो, समझ लो कि if this is really a career option for you or not, if you are ready to take all the challenges, because जो आप social media पे देख रहे हो वो सब कुछ सच नहीं होता. I can suggest you that there are so many videos in the YouTube, there are so many other people who is trying to give you a very clear understanding of एक कैबिन क्रू की लाइफ होती कैसे है एक्चुअल में. सो आई रियली एनकरेज यू टू गो वॉच दोज वीडियोज एंड देन डिसाइड कि आप इसके लिए रेडी हो कि नहीं. आई एम ऑल्सो नॉट डीमोटिवेटिंग यू कि इसमें तो सिर्फ प्रॉब्लम्स ही है एंड देर आर सो मेनी नेगेटिव पॉइंट्स, देर आर सो मेनी डीमेरिट्स. इट ऑल्सो हैज अ लॉट ऑफ बेनिफिट्स to offer, because your life changes a lot after becoming a cabin crew, but it happens in a both way, positive as well as negative. All I want to clear you guys is कि just don't see on the positivity, also see on the negativity part, because this job offers you both. It's nothing very glamorous as well as it's nothing really bad. So I just want you guys to prepare yourself in a way कि आप दोनों चीज के लिए ready हैं. So even after all this, if you really want to become a cabin crew, then this video is for you, because I am gonna be sharing the first process, the first step of how to become a cabin crew. So there are two options. आप या तो domestic airline में cabin crew बन सकते हैं, या फिर आप international airline में cabin crew बन सकते हैं. So it depends on your interest, your knowledge, कि आपको कहाँ पे पहले जाना है, कहाँ पे आपको इंटरव्यू देना है, किस एयरलाइन में आपको वर्क करना है. अगर मैं सजेस्ट करना चाहूँ तो इफ यू आर अ फ्रेशर एंड यू आर नॉट वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट दिस जॉब, लाइक यू डोंट नो मच अबाउट दिस करियर ऑप्शन, देन आई वुड डेफिनेटली सजेस्ट यू कि आप पहले एक इंडियन डोमेस्टिक एयरलाइन से शुरू करें, बिकॉज यू गेट टू लर्न अ लॉट, यू गेट अ लॉट ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस व्हेन यू बिकम अ कैबिन क्रू. एंड देन उसके बाद से इफ यू वांट टू स्विच योर करियर एनी इंटरनेशनल एयरलाइन, देन यू आर फ्री टू गो एंड फ्री टू एक्सप्लोर, बिकॉज एटलीस्ट वहां पे जाने से पहले आपके पास एक एक्सपीरियंस रहेगा, एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग रहेगी आपकी ओन लाइफ की. बिकॉज मोस्टली जो कैबिन क्रू की जॉब होती है ना, डजंट मैटर इन विच एयरलाइन यू आर वर्किंग, इट्स ऑलमोस्ट द सेम. like the roles, the responsibilities, the pattern of your life, and the challenges you face, the benefits you have is almost same for every airline. To become a cabin crew in domestic airline, you need to be firstly aware about what airlines exist in India. So I'm gonna be listing a few airlines. There are much more. If you want to explore, if you want to Google, you can go ahead. So in India we have a lot of airlines who hire Indian candidates as a cabin crew. So if I have to list them, it's Indigo, it's AirAsia, it's Vistara, SpiceJet, TrueJet, Star Air, Air India Express, and etc, etc. There's a lot more which you can explore in Google, their career options as a cabin crew. So these are the major airlines which people usually choose to become a cabin crew. The international airline which hires Indian candidates as a cabin crew would be Qatar Airways, Emirates, Etihad, Gulf Air, Kuwait Airways, Riyadh Air, and British Airways, and there are so many other airlines as well which hires Indian nationals as a cabin crew. So you can also again Google a few more names and you will get to know. So the first step to become a cabin crew is applying on the official website of that particular airline. So अगर example में हम ले लें, if you want to become a cabin crew in Indigo airline, तो सबसे पहले आपको Indigo airline के official website पे जाके उनकी requirements check करनी पड़ेगी. So every airline has their own requirements. So a lot of requirements are very common among all the airlines, including international airlines. But there are few eligibility criteria or requirements which are different from each other. तो सबसे पहले तो आपको उनके official website पे जाके you have to check कि if you are eligible to become a cabin crew for that particular airline or not. So these official websites of different domestic as well as international airlines I am gonna be listing in my description box. So if you want to become a cabin crew in Indigo, or if you want to become a cabin crew in Qatar Airways, or if you want to become a cabin crew in Vistara, so you can click on those specific links and you can land on their official websites. So what's the most important step to become a cabin crew is you have to be aware that you don't have to pay anybody to become a cabin crew. Yes, so this is a very big misconception every candidate has, that you need to pay certain amount to someone to become a cabin crew. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. Even you do not need any certification. आपको कोई course join नहीं करने की ज़रूरत है to become a cabin crew. So major airlines hire people as a fresher as well as experienced. सो एक्सपीरियंस्ड का मतलब ये होता है कि आपने किसी पर्टिकुलर एयरलाइन में काम किया है या फिर एज अ कस्टमर सर्विस काम किया है, तो यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर दैट एयरलाइन. बट मोस्टली इन इंडिया एज वेल एज इंटरनेशनल द एयरलाइंस हायर फ्रेशर पीपल्स. दैट मीन्स आपको बस अपनी एजुकेशन खत्म करनी है एंड देन यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर एयरलाइन टू बिकम अ कैबिन क्रू. यू डोंट हैव टू कंप्लीट एनी काइंड ऑफ कैबिन क्रू कोर्स फ्रॉम एनी इंस्टीट्यूट. यू कैन बिकम अ कैबिन क्रू आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग योर एजुकेशन. So this is a very important point which a lot of people are confused about. We're talking about two types of interviews which are held by different airlines in India as well as in international. So what are those? So for example, there are two types of interviews which are held. One is walk-in interview and the other one is invite interviews. So what is walk-in interview? Indian Airlines, like if you talk about domestic airlines in India, they conduct walk-in interviews for all the candidates. So what is a walk-in interview? So walk-in interview is something which you can directly walk into that place and give your interview. For example, जो अगर आप किसी भी डोमेस्टिक या इंटरनेशनल के वेबसाइट पे जाके देखेंगे, अगर वहाँ पे लिखा है वॉक इन इंटरव्यू, तो ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज सी द वेन्यू, द डेट, एंड यू नो व्हाट ऑल डॉक्यूमेंट्स यू हैव टू टेक एंड व्हाट विल बी द ड्रेस कोड फॉर दैट इंटरव्यू. यू कैन चेक एवरीथिंग वहाँ पे लिखा होता है. ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज प्रिपेयर योर सेल्फ इन अ वे जो भी उनकी रिक्वायरमेंट्स है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ऑल योर डॉक्यूमेंट्स हैज टू बी देयर, यू नीड टू बी इन दैट ड्रेस कोड टू अटेंड दैट इंटरव्यू, एंड ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज सी दैट venue, see that date, see the time, and उस टाइम पे, उस डेट पे, उस वेन्यू पे आपको बस जाके पहुंच जाना है एंड बाकी के सारे जो प्रोसेस हैं उस दिन पे वो होते रहेंगे. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड वॉक इन इंटरव्यू, जिसमें आपको किसी इन्विटेशन की जरूरत नहीं है. नोबडी हैज टू इन्वाइट यू फॉर दैट. ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज प्रिपेयर योर सेल्फ एंड जस्ट वॉक इन टू दैट प्लेस एंड गिव योर इंटरव्यू. Now, what is invite interview? So if it is an invite interview, you have to apply for that job, you have to apply for that profession, and उनका वो पूरा फॉर्म फिल करना पड़ता है. You have to attach your resume, and then you have to wait for a mail which that particular airline will send you. If they like your profile, if they like your resume, then they will send you a mail that we have invited you for this particular interview on this particular day, and venue and timings and dress code, everything will be mentioned in that mail. So then you have to go attend that interview. So this is a very small and very common difference between invite and walk-in interviews. Walk-in में आपको बस you have to prepare yourself, see the place, see the time and date, and आपको बस walk-in करके you have to give your interview. But in invite you have to wait for an invitation mail from that particular airline to attend their interview. So I hope this concept is clear with you guys. So you have to be very, very careful when you apply for a cabin crew, because there are so many websites, there are so many scams going on for a cabin crew job. So every airline has their official website, जो मैं description box में mention कर दूंगी. All the official website of particular airlines, you have to make sure कि आप उसी particular website पे ही जाएं, official website पे ही जाएं, and वहाँ पे जाके apply करें, या फिर उनका अगर walk-in interview है तो walk-in interview attend करें. So this is very, very important guys, because there are so many scams going on and you cannot land in those scams. So also one more thing very important to become a cabin crew is, अगर आप एक particular airline आपने choose कर ली है, उसके बाद से आप उस particular airline के requirements check करेंगे जो उनके official website पे ही होता है for a cabin crew. तो जो भी उनकी requirements है, you have to make sure कि you have those requirements. तो वो बहुत ही simple requirements होते हैं जो usually if you want to become a cabin crew, वो requirements आपके पास होते ही होते हैं. For example, if you ask me to mention like clear your 12th standard first, and you have to be very fluent in Hindi and English, spoken and written. There should not be any tattoos, like visible tattoos on your body when you wear their particular uniform. These are very basic requirements which every airline wants you to have to become a cabin crew. वो requirements आपको particular website पे उस airline की मिल जाएंगी. So you have to make sure you read those requirements and then you apply for that particular airline, because वो requirements जो वो mention किया होता है उन्होंने, वो mandatory requirements है. If you lack any one requirement from that, then it's difficult for you to become a cabin crew for that airline. So this is a very simple process guys, but I understand if you are a new candidate, or if you are an aspiring candidate to who wants to become a cabin crew, उनके लिए ये बहुत difficult हो जाता है to know everything. जब मैं cabin crew बनना चाहती थी तो मेरे लिए भी ये बहुत ज़्यादा difficult हो गया था, because ये उतना easy नहीं है जितना दिखता है. For example, so people who doesn't live in the major cities, for example Delhi, Bombay, Bangalore, कोलकाता, तो वहाँ पे अगर वो एकदम city के अंदर या फिर किसी village area या टाउन एरिया में रहते हैं जहाँ पे इंटरव्यूज कंडक्ट नहीं होते हैं, सो फॉर देम इट बिकम्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट, बिकॉज उनको ट्रैवल करके मेजर बिग सिटीज में आना पड़ता है टू गिव इंटरव्यू. तो यू नीड टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर ऑल दैट बिकॉज अगर आप सेलेक्ट भी हो जाते हो एक एयरलाइन के लिए, सम एयरलाइंस हैज क्राइटेरिया कि वो 2-3 दिन में उनका इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस खत्म होता है. तो वो 2-3 दिन ट्रैवलिंग, स्टे, ये सब वगैरह आपको सब कुछ देखना पड़ेगा खुद से, बिकॉज जब तक आप कैबिन क्रू नहीं बनते आपको अपनी ट्रैवल एक्सपेंसेस, अपने स्टेज, लाइक इंटरव्यू के लिए अगर आप किसी सिटी में जा रहे हो तो वहां पे जो ट्रैवल एक्सपेंसेस है, जो स्टे है, वो आपको खुद से देखना पड़ेगा. नोबडी विल टेक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फॉर दैट. तो दीज थिंग्स यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड इफ यू वांट टू बिकम अ कैबिन क्रू, बिकॉज इंटरव्यूज बहुत सिटीज में आजकल हो रहे हैं, बट बहुत ही प्लेसेस ऐसे हैं जहाँ पे नहीं होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जब मैं कैबिन क्रू बनना चाहती थी तो आई कम फ्रॉम अ टाउन जहाँ पे इंटरव्यूज कंडक्ट नहीं होते, तो मुझे अपने कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर निकल के, अपने घर से बाहर निकल के एक सिटी में आना पड़ा था इंटरव्यू देने के लिए, जिसके लिए मुझे अपने पेरेंट्स की बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्ट लेनी पड़ी थी. एंड आई वॉज जस्ट फॉर्चुनेट कि दे वर वेरी सपोर्टिव. तो आई विश आप सबके साथ भी ऐसा हो कि people help you, people support you in your career choice, and you become a cabin crew and you start flying, because this job offers you a lot and this job gives you so much experience in life. So if I'm able to clear some of your doubts or some of your confusions regarding this cabin crew job, like regarding how to apply for a cabin crew job, then I'm very, very happy. But if you still have some doubts or some queries regarding this, you can definitely mention in the comment sections below. Also, you can also DM me in Instagram and I will 100% reply you guys, because I know how much it takes, you know, when you want to become a cabin crew. कितने सारे questions होते हैं, कितनी सारी queries होती हैं, and you don't have anybody to answer them for you. तो ये कितना difficult हो जाता है, because I was in that place at one point of time and I used to wish कि काश मेरे पास एक mentorship होती, काश मेरे पास एक guidance होता and जो मुझे personally guide कर सकता. But like unfortunately ऐसा सबकी life में नहीं होता है. But अगर आपकी life में मैं वो चीज़, वो difference ला सकती हूँ, then I'm very very grateful, very very happy, and I'm definitely looking forward for that. So please shoot on your questions, your doubts in the comment sections, or also you can DM me in Instagram and I will definitely answer. And to all the people who are going for the interviews or going to apply to become a cabin crew, then all the very best, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for your support. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and please like this video, because it is very very important for me to be motivated to make more such videos for you guys, so that अगर मुझे अच्छा response मिलेगा तो मैं शायद और आपकी या किसी की भी help कर पाऊंगी in this. I will see you again.